What's going on, guys? It's your boy Phil here, back with another video. And as you can see, it's pretty snowy outside. And some might say, ah man, it's too cold to be going to shoot, but I think we can take this as an opportunity to go take some snow shots, because snow isn't around all year long. So in this quick tutorial today, you guys are gonna come with me and we're gonna see what we can get from the snow. It might not even be a tutorial, it might be a fail, but you know what? We're gonna find out. But first, of course, can't go out like this. So give me 1 second and... All right, so that's a little bit more appropriate. We're in our winter jackets now. We're gonna take the A7R2 out on the 1635. That's what we'll be using today. And we will see what we can get. So come on, let's go. So it was way too windy to do audio outside, and I was only out there for about 5 minutes. I think we're still able to get the creative juices flowing. We got a few nice shots and I'll show you those in a second, but yeah, it was freezing and that is what you can expect from Canadian weather. You know, nonetheless, we got some pretty decent shots. This is my first one, and this was from a lady that was walking by. You can see her foot trails there. She's holding the bag nicely and we got the wind and the snow, so I think it turned out pretty good. This is literally right in front of the shop. You can see photo box on the left. And yeah, so that's one of them. This is another one with the school bus passing by. We had to crank up the shutter to make sure that we got the actual bus sharp, but we wanted to also make sure the exposure was right. So this one was obviously edited in post, and all of these were, but I think this one's not too bad. I like how the bus stands out. It's an action shot. This next one is there's a little bit of a traffic jam that you can see up ahead, and you see that school bus that I just took a photo of right now. I like this photo because it has a mystique to it. So it looks almost like they're all piled up and everyone has a place to go here on this snowy winter day. And lastly, I went out on the middle of the street. I don't advise that you do so in a snowy weather storm, but nonetheless, I did. We got a picture of a Mustang turning left here, and I'm playing a little bit of chicken with the guys across. So don't advise it, but I like this shot. It kind of shows a bit of a racing feel to it. So that's that. Just wanted to let you guys know that it was super cold. It was only about 10 minutes I was outside. You know, just go outside and you never know what you can get. It doesn't have to be far. It doesn't have to be anything creative. You don't have to be up in the mountains and shooting down some sort of rooftop to get some shots. Just goes to show that you can get some pretty cool stuff just outside your front lawn. All right, back inside now, guys. And let me tell you, it is a cold one, but you'll see some of the shots that we got just out on the street over here. I wouldn't say they're the best shots ever, but we were working with what we can on a negative 15-degree day. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you guys aren't already, and I would appreciate a like if you like this video. I'll be sure to post some more in the coming days of the studio, maybe some more tutorials. I appreciate you guys and I thank you for watching. Until next time, it's your boy Phil and I'm out. Peace.